Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the calculator app version and that you have a backup. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, open the app and navigate directly to Settings, then Data Recovery or Privacy. Don't wander through menus. Make sure you grant any permission prompts so the app can modify stored items. You're taking the first actionable steps now. Locate the recovery list, mark items for removal, and prepare to execute the deletion, so the process is atomic and reversible if needed. Now you perform the main removal. Choose specific recovered photos or tap Select All for bulk operations because bulk reduces leftover metadata. Once selected, use the Secure Delete or Clear Cache option. This removes thumbnails and temp files as well. Make sure to confirm the deletion prompt. Many apps require a second tap to prevent accidental loss. While it runs, monitor the progress bar or activity log so you can verify which files were removed and why the app reports success or an error. Finish by restarting the calculator app and then the device. Rebooting clears locks and updates the UI so you can confirm the recovery list is empty. If some photos persist, repeat the secure delete sequence or clear the app cache and storage. This often removes lingering thumbnails. If problems remain, check that the app has full storage permissions, disable any automatic backup restore, and as a last resort, reinstall the app. This resolves most issues. If not, contact support with logs and a clear description of what you tried.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.